Alright YouTube, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys the tutorial on how to fix this leak. I'll try to attempt. Last time I have a leak. It was a small leak. So I put the tape around it. The plumber's tape. And I also put the JB well on there, but unfortunately it's not it did not fix the problem. And now it's getting worse. See, the water is leaking out from here. So I will need to use my Dremel and then grind it down, see what's going on. Alright, so I'll keep you guys updated. As you can see, leak all the way down here, mixing out the pipe. And this is the shut-off valve right here. So I better fix it before it get even worse. I put this cloth over there and now it's kind of get black because of the mold. I'm gonna shut it off and start working on it. After I use this chisel to remove the JB weld glue, and then after that I use my skateboard grip tape to sand this down. And then I use this Dremel. To get all those JBL glue out there, and now we could try to weld it. Either that or use a putty. But I believe the putty is only for temporary, so I'm gonna go to Lowe's or Home Depot to get the welding kit again. Alright, so I'll be back. So I shut out the water valve, drain all the water out into this bucket. Hey YouTube, just want to give you guys an update about how I fixed the pinhole on my main valve. This is the water valve, as you can see. That's a shutoff valve over there coming out from the street and then to the house. If you didn't see my video, the previous one, it shows that it was leaking water. At first, at the beginning, when it first started, there's a tiny drip of water keep on coming down here, and as you can see, it messed up or discolored the whole pipeline. Okay. And at the beginning, I use this JB weld. This is supposed to be the world's strongest bond. This is the epoxy. Okay. The string is up to 3,960 psi. Set time was 20 to 25 minutes. Okay. And you mix it. So I'm not sure if at the beginning when I tried to repair this, I did not let this dry it up or whatever. But I did shut out the main valve. But unfortunately, we had to stay at the sister-in-law's house and let it dry overnight. But unfortunately, I guess there was some water on the other side, and I did not drain the water out from here all the way out, or heat it with the torch or anything before I put the glue on. So I'm not sure if that's the case, that it did not dry, did not seal the hole properly. And when I turn it back on the valve, you can see the water dripping slowly. But after like a couple months later, and then I could see the whole bunch of water coming down. So I rubbed it with a yellow towel around it. So a couple of days ago, I tried to fix it, and I went to Lowe's, and then you could also buy at the Home Depot to get the welding torch kit for the copper. But unfortunately, I keep on trying to heat it up, and all it does is the solder keep on melting it down. As you can see, the solder is still there, and somehow it does not stick to it. So I end up putting this EP200 epoxy putty. I was surprised that this one works very well. It sets hard as a steel in 15 to 20 minutes. And this is for plumbing, industrial, farm, home, electrical, and automobile. It bonds to and repairs almost any surface. Okay? It's good for steel, wood, aluminum, PVC, fiberglass, copper, ceramic, and more. So I was pretty surprised with this product, okay? And this was only a couple bucks versus the welding kit was around like $35 plus tax. It came out to be at 38 something. Okay. And after that, this one you gotta mix it. It come in a tube. Let me try to show you guys. It's wrap around with this paper, and it also wrap around with this plastic wrap. And as you can see, it is kind of like a black in the center, and then the outer layer is like a grayish color. So after you mix it up together with your fingers, it's going to become hardened within like 2 to 3 minutes. So you gotta be quick and then fast. And then patch it around the hole. But before you do that, you need to sand it down with the sandpaper. Okay, I use a rough one, and after that, I use like a metal brush to get it clean up, so it will bond pretty nicely. Okay, so hopefully this will help you guys to fix your pinhole leak. Okay, on your piping. And this is pretty critical. This is for the main valve, which is pretty high pressure. I forgot what is the PSI on here. I guess I read it last time. I think it was up to 7,000 something. But anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, and then like this video. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't do so yet, and then turn on that bell for notification. And it has been working for 2-3 days now without leaks. Hopefully, knock on wood. Okay, so after a couple of days or a couple of months, I'm gonna manage to come and check it out, make sure there's no leak. And hopefully this will last for a long time. All right. share this with your friend and family on social media, and tell them about this putty they could get at Home Depot or Lowe's for only a couple bucks, less than $5 or $6, I think. Yeah. Or yeah. All right. Thank you for watching, and please drop me in the comments below. And happy Saturday, guys. Thank you for watching, and like always, peace out.